Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Hot 20 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So first of all, let's open the browser, and in my case it will be Google Chrome, but basically in most of the browsers it will look kind of similar. So if you're on your browser, let's enter the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on the history. And as you can see right here, we've got the list of all previously visited websites. So of course, if you want to, you can remove them one by one manually just by tapping on this X button right next to it. But if in your case this list is so wide, then I highly recommend to simply remove them automatically. And to do that, you have to tap on Clear Browsing Data. And here we've got some basic and advanced options. So in basics, we've got browsing history, cookies and site data, and cache images and files. And in advanced, we've got also saved passwords, auto film from data, and site settings. If you want to remove something, just make sure that it is marked. So as you can see, I will remove everything. What's more, we can change the time range from all time to, for example, last 24 hours. It's up to you. So let's tap on Clear Data if you're ready. And as you can see, the history is empty, which simply means that we just successfully removed actually everything. So starting from the browsing history and ending on, for example, saved passwords. So basically that's all. This is how to clear the browser in your INFINIX Hot 20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.